Don't tell her I just parked that there.
I ain't gonna tell her anything. All right.
I just took it without her knowing. What's up, YouTube? What's up, Hammerheads? Van Hammer HP! Craig coming at you. Well, here we are again in the VHHP garage, but you notice there's something missing. Obviously, right? So yeah, Scheana not in the garage. Mrs. Van Hammer got her at work, so we're gonna try to do something a little different today. You know, you always see the memes and stuff like that where the husband's buying the car parts and the wife doesn't know anything about it, or she finds out about it or whatever. So here we go. This is what we're gonna do. She doesn't know about this. But right here, looky here, we got a little, you can already tell. Got some Roush stickers there. Already opened this up and kind of checked it out a little bit because the box was a little messed up, but there we go, baby. That Roush H pipe. Yeah, we're gonna try to get that installed today. So Mrs. Van Hammer doesn't know about this, so we are gonna go pick up the car from work. Hopefully we can sneak it out of there. I don't know, she's got the Ford Pass app. That may rat me out. But we're gonna go and try to get this installed and then bring it back to work, and then when she starts it up, she's gonna be like, WTF? Hopefully. Anyway, but again, we went with the H-pipe, man. I really wanted, when we first got the Mustang, I was looking at X-pipes and stuff, because with Racy Lacy, we did the H-pipe. Oh, and it sounded amazing. Man, if you're a Mustang enthusiast or a sports car enthusiast, you know, and you're not going all out, man, taking that mid-pipe out, that resonator out, that H-pipe sound, man, was just perfect. You know, the exhaust sounds good stock and all, but if you want that little tick up, I think it's perfect. And you can go whichever way you want to go, X-pipe, H-pipe. There is little sound differences and stuff. There's plenty of videos on YouTube. But to me, the H-pipe I just remember my reaction the first time that I heard that H-pipe. After I installed it on Racy Lacy, it was just, I don't know, it was good. So last time, you know, we went with the pipes, H-pipe, and there's nothing wrong with that, dude. This, if you're on a budget, pipes, H-pipe. I can't speak to their X-pipe, but I imagine it'd be the same. That was perfect. It's about $100 cheaper. So if you're on a budget, definitely pipes is the way to go on that. And I really, just as long as you go stainless steel and it's not aluminized or anything, I don't know that there's really a difference. But this time I splurged a little bit, went with the Roush, so kind of paid for the name a little bit. But so I'm not gonna do the install on this like I did last time. I already did that once. This time, like I said, we're gonna go try to steal the car from Mrs. Van Hammer real quick. Hopefully she doesn't notice. I don't know what kind of notifications she has on her Ford Pass app. So I don't know if she'll know or get a notification like, hey, the car started or it's moving. But if she gets those, I think it has a GPS location feature on it too. So she'll be able to see we're at the muffler shop. She'll know what we're doing for sure. And anyway, and I'll probably get a text like, hey, what are you doing with my car? But anyway, we're gonna let the muffler shop do that. We're gonna go to A&B Muffler. about 3900 Avenue Q, man. If you're local here in town or in the surrounding area, A&B Muffler. Not sponsored by them or anything, but that's where we always take our stuff to go get exhaust stuff done. Here we go. We're gonna go steal the car, take it to A&B. Let's get this H-pipe on. It's a jailbreak. Woo-wee. Oh, get in there. There we go. A little cold start there. All right, let's pop open the phone. I don't know. We'll see if we're gonna get a text message or not. All right, let's hurry up and get to the muffler shop. They in here jamming?
Thank you very much. And then their system was being qualified. We expected to find the best deals and food. 87 cents.
God dang. That's good. I like it. That sounds beautiful, dude. Boys and girls, I don't know if you can hear that, but man, it sounds good with the H-pipe in there. Oh, once again, A&B Muffler, thank you. They do good work at a good price, man. Those guys, you gotta go see them. Anyway, man, so look at here. We almost 1,000 miles. So we got oil change coming up. We got a few other little things that we can do and bring you for some videos. We got to put some tires on here for the winter and stuff. So we got some other little content and stuff coming. Oh man, it just sounds so good. Anyway, yeah, we're gonna put some gas in this thing and bring it back to Mrs. Van Hammer. I wish I had a camera in here to see her reaction when she gets on it, but we're fixing to roll up here on the interstate. I would say we haven't gotten on this car really at all, or Mrs. Van Hammer says she hasn't anyway. But yeah, at almost 1,000 miles here, we'll be getting that the oil changed here to get that break-in oil out. And anyway, we might get on it a little bit here when we get on the interstate. Fun ride. doing downshifts, baby. All right, so we gassed her up real quick. We brought her home, did a quick wipe down real quick. It wasn't that dirty. So with the ceramic coat and everything, man, it was super quick just to wipe her down. Woo! Got her in the sun right there. Oh my God. And then in the shade, you can kind of see the difference there with the shading into the sun. Or no text yet from Mrs. Van Hammer, so she doesn't know that it's gone. Or if she does, she hasn't said anything or complained about it yet. So we're gonna get it back over there before she realizes it's gone. All right, let's go. Mission accomplished. All right, drop the hammer. Peace.